Hello everyone, my name is Piyush and I'm making this video to share my human resource internship experience with FireShark. Talking about FireShark, it is an edtech company that specializes in cybersecurity and network security training, research, and development. Having official partners like ISI Councils, Competia, and many more. My work was focused on recruitment, onboarding, and employees relations. I had a great opportunity to work with the industry professionals, from where I have learned many more things. I had valuable insights into the day-to-day operations of an HR department. And talking about the company culture, it was really healthy at FireShark, and the seniors was very supportive and collaborative. I particularly enjoyed my work during my tenure. So I had a overall fantastic learning experience with the FireShark, and I would like to recommend FireShark to anyone who's looking for an internship and any sort of training programs. Thank you so much.